welcome to another edition of Within the Pixels. My name is Bert Blevins, and today we're going to be looking at unlimited admin mode, and otherwise known as break glass. Let's take a look right at it. So we're getting right to the Secret Server administration settings. We're going to come in here to unlimited admin. All right, so what this is going to do is set the no right now. So we're going to come in here, we're going to click edit. Then we need to type in something for audit trail. So we're going to say yes for a demo. Enable unlimited. Now you see this banner up here appears, unlimited admin mode. We'll also notice that if we come into Secret Server, we will get access to not only our personal folder here, but we get access to everybody else's personal folder once you're in unlimited admin mode. And once you get out of unlimited admin mode, which we're going to do here in a second, that goes away. So just keep that in mind when you're in unlimited admin mode, otherwise known as break glass. You can create separation of duties between this. We create a workflow that says you can have requesters of admin mode, and then you can have approvers. So we can separate that out as well. So you have options there with unlimited admin mode. So that concludes the particular demo for this, and thank you for watching.